Designing a balcony. Creating an outdoor oasis. Designing a balcony can be a wonderful way to extend your living space and create an outdoor oasis that provides a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. When designing a balcony, consider the purpose of the space, whether it's for relaxation, entertainment, or simply enjoying the view. Choose furniture and decor that reflect your personal style and complement the architecture of your building. Add plants, greenery, and flowers.
Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.